coloring friends. We are visiting the farm today to color this adorable cow. We'll begin with the background. Blue for number 7 fills the sky around our cow's head. Next, we use green for number 6 to color the field below. Our cow is standing in a lovely meadow. Spell meadow with me. M-E-A-D-O-W. Meadow. Now for the main subject. The largest areas of the cow's face and body are light gray for number 4. Fill in the big sections that will form the body of our spotted friend. Let's give her some color. We'll use beige for number 1 on her nose, ears, and little horns. Now, add a gentle touch of pink for number 5 on her muzzle and inner ears. Oops! We missed a number for gray. Time for the classic cow spots. Black for number 3 fills in the patches on her body. We'll also color the center of the flower with yellow for number 2. Our cow is really coming to life. Moo-tiful. Our cow is complete and looks absolutely happy in her meadow. If you enjoyed this farm coloring adventure, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fun videos. Tell me what animal we should color next. See you soon!